Leetcode 175, combined two tables. Write a solution to report the first name, last name, city, and state of each person in the person table. If the address of a person ID is not present in the address table, report null instead. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this Leetcode question in both SQL as well as Python Pandas, where I take you line by line. And one more thing before I code, this is one of the easiest data questions on the Leetcode platform. It's going to be solved in just a few lines of code for both languages. All right, let's start coding. So looking at this example over here, we have our person table. We have IDs 1 and 2. And then we have two different names over here, last name and first name. Then we have this address table over here with the address ID of 1 and 2. But you can see that person 1 is missing from this table, but we also have the city and state associated with each of these person IDs. So then our output over here for this first person, Alan, there's no city or state because they are not in that address table. Whereas Bob over here is located in this address table. So that's why there's New York City and state being New York. And honestly, we can code this out very easily. So let's look at our output over here. We have to get first name, last name, city, and state. All right, let's solve this. And honestly, what this question really asks is a join question. It's really asking you, what is a left join? I'll put a graphic here on the screen right now to demonstrate that, but let's start coding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with a select statement. And we're gonna start with this person table because we wanna print out both of these people's names, but we wanna pull the city and state from this address table. And if that's not there, we'll get a null value with a left join. So here's how we do that. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our select, then we're gonna say from person P. We need a few different things. So first on here, right, we need this first name and last name. So P dot first name, comma, P dot last name as well, okay? And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna left join, and we're grabbing this address table. So we're gonna left join address. We're gonna call this A, okay? And we're gonna say on, and we have to look at how we can join these tables. Well, in this, we have a person ID, and address, we also have a person ID. So we can join on that person ID. So you wanna specify each table. So what we're gonna say over here is A.person ID equals P.person ID. Now we have this address table, so we can add on a few more things. Address has city and state that we need, so A.city and then A.state. No comma here at the end, otherwise you're gonna get an error. So let's just run that, make sure that this works, and there's no issues, and it's been accepted. I've already tested this solution as well and submitted it officially. So I do know this works because I have my code next to me. But let's explain how this works one more time. This question is really just asking you on your specific join. We're going to use a left join because we want to get those specific null values. Really, we're grabbing a select statement. We're just grabbing our first and last name from this person table. And then on this address table, which we've left join on, we join these by this person ID. And then we just grab the city and state from there. And if a person is in the person table, but not the address table, we are going to get a null value. So that's the SQL side of things. Let's jump into Python. All right. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to create a final over here, and we're going to merge these two tables, or on the Python side of things, data frames together. So what we're going to do is person.merge, and then we're going to merge in on this side of things is address. Okay. And then we're going to merge these on the person ID. So on equals, and grab your person ID. We saw that there was a person ID in both of these tables. And we're going to say how. We're going to do this as a left join. So left like that. And then we need one more line of code. Python is super easy. So we can return final. And then inside over here, which there should be no space, we define the specific columns that we want to bring back. So we start off with our first name, okay, then put a comma over here, grab your last name, and then another comma over here. You're going to populate city, and then lastly, we're going to populate state. And Since we're returning this data frame over here, we should get the same exact results as we did on the SQL side of things. And then we can just click a run on the side and it's going to tell me it's accepted, which it is. So let me just explain this one more time. 2 lines of code with Python, probably the easiest LeetCode question I've seen so far. But what I'm doing first is I'm creating a merge between our person and address. So you can think of a merge like our joins in the SQL side of things. So I'm merging this person. So I'm doing person.merge and I'm merging this address. Now we can merge these specifically on a person ID. Now, sometimes our IDs and the way the join tables are going to be a little bit different. If they're the same, we can use on. Otherwise, you're going to have to specify each of those columns. But this one, again, is an easier question. So we can just say on person ID, and we're looking for that left join. So that's why we see how equals left. Finally, we're going to return our data frame with those 4 specific columns. We have first name, last name, city, and state. Click run and submit, and that is the final answer for 175. Well, that's definitely the shortest LeetCode video here on the channel. And if you're able to solve this question, whether it's SQL or Python, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I'm posting multiple videos every single week, not just these interview type questions, as I try to improve my data skills. But if you do want to watch more LeetCode videos for your future interview, make sure to watch this playlist right over here.